Students, this is the 6th practice paper based on the mixed up questions, that is revision mixed up questions, physics for class 10. In this practice paper, I have given total 10 questions from all the taught topics from physics. The first question is differentiate split rings and slip rings. What is the difference between split rings and slip rings? Question number 2, find the angle of reflection. In this diagram, a mirror, you better know the name of this mirror. This is convex mirror. So convex mirror is given, pole, focus, center of curvature has been placed. This ray falls at pole and it makes 50 degree with the mirror. You have to find out the angle of reflection in this case. Very conceptual question is this. Question number 3, what is electric power? How can you define electric power? Question number 4, which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Means there are two cases. In case 1, you have to write TV set. In case 2, you have to write toaster. Then for TV set, you have to write power is 250 watt, time is 1 hour, and you have to compare the energy. So energy is to be calculated in this case. You know the formula to find out the electrical energy, that is power into time. Power should be in kilowatt and time should be in hour, so that the energy will be in kilowatt hour. In case of toaster also, power is given here 1200 watt, so convert it into kilowatt first. Time is given 10 minutes, convert this time into hour first. Then you have to find energy, power into time. Then you will be able to know which uses more energy, either TV set or toaster. Question number 5. What is the ratio of potential difference and current known as? Ratio of potential difference and current is known as dash. 1 mark question. This type of question is asked in 1 mark. Question number 6. Explain clock face rule. By using diagrams, you have to explain clock face rule. In my one video, I have explained it. What is the exact meaning of clock face rule? What is the concept of clock face rule? That I have already discussed in my one video based on 2nd chapter, that is magnetic effects of electric current. Question number 7. What is pole? Define pole. Where is the focus of plane mirror? Second part of this question number 7 is, where is the focus of plane mirror? Question number 8. Explain the formation of image of an extended object placed in front of a plane mirror by drawing the ray diagram. You have been given a plane mirror and an extended object. Extended object means bigger object. Extended object can be written in this manner. This is the extended object. And point sized object is just written as point size. This is point sized object and this one is extended object. So if an extended object means a bigger object has been placed in front of a plane mirror, then how will the image look like and how does it form? That you have to draw the ray diagram regarding this concept. Question number 9. Why is it safe for birds to sit on naked power lines fixed atop tall electric poles? Atop electric poles there, a tall electric poles is there and naked power lines has been fixed over there. The birds can sit on naked power lines without getting an electric shock. What is the physics behind it? That you have to answer. Why is it safe for birds to sit on a naked power lines? Naked power lines is there. Very high amount of current is flowing through that power lines, which is fixed over the tall electric poles. You must have observed some birds sitting on that power lines, naked power lines. In spite of that, the electric shock is not harming birds. Means the birds are not getting electric shock. What is the physics behind it? That you have to answer. Question number 10. When does an electric short circuit occur? When does an electric short circuit occur? Thank you, students, and best of luck for this practice paper. Thank you very much.